As a mother, family was always important. The three-family house we lived in, we were three families. And my two sister-in-laws lived upstairs, I was downstairs. And the door was open all the time. And this Mrs. Druten, who was Leonard Nimoy's, she'd come and she just loved me, loved my family. Her husband was a klezmer in Russia. She was so dramatic. She had pins, jewelry, every piece of jewelry she had was on her. But she loved my children. And whenever she went someplace, if there was leftover, she'd bring them half-eaten pastries. I can't even begin to tell you. But they had a shul there, Blue Hill Avenue, and many shuls. And we would go, the women sat upstairs. And unfortunately, my mother-in-law had died right after my daughter was born. So we were married September, and she died on Yom Kippur the following year. But we went to shul, and everybody walked Blue Hill Avenue. My mother loved it because in New York, it was not a Jewish neighborhood. And she loved to come up, and they came up all the time. Then my sister, she would take the bus, she would take the train. She came out, and she ended up marrying a boy from Massachusetts, which is very funny.